What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to edit a PDF file on your Android device. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Open up the Google Play Store application on your Android device. Ensure you're logged in and search for Microsoft Office. Tap on this app icon and proceed to download and install the free-to-use app. Open the installed Microsoft Office app and locate the Actions button at the bottom right corner. In the options presented at the top, select PDF to Word. Browse and select the PDF file you wish to edit from your device. Once the file is converted, you can make the necessary changes to the content. To save it back as a PDF file, tap the three dots at the top, then select Export, followed by PDF. Follow the prompts to save your edited PDF file. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.